As many as 6 out of 10 women are physically, emotionally, or mentally abused throughout their life. This goes on to impact their levels of self-esteem and self-worth in business. This client was struggling to manage her repetitive thoughts of abuse. She lacked the knowledge to move forward and was on government benefits. I showed her how to think in new ways, how to substitute her feelings and increase her self-regulation by as little as 10 points. Because of this small improvement, she started to take action. She started a business, and now she has helped women all around the world to solve the same problems that she had. And today, she's earning more than $250 per hour. And all of this happened in under 12 months. There's a 1-to-1 ratio between your levels of emotional intelligence and your earning ability. Women like you are learning to increase their emotional intelligence every day, and they start to make a lot more money. If you'd like to learn how to make more money in less time, go to my website www.danieltolson.com.